What is up, everybody? It's your girl SimplefX, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be going over some of the trade setups that I caught today. I'm also holding this intraday slash, I guess it's a swing position now because I've been holding it now for just over a day on US 30. I'll go over this shortly, but for now, let's go over two other positions, two other trades here. I'm going to start out with gold. All right. This video is titled Why I Am a Scalper for the reason I'm about to show you now. I don't know why this keeps happening. It's been happening to me quite a bit lately. I'm not understanding what has been going on with my analysis lately. I mean, I've been winning my trades simply because I've been taking profit, which is cool and all, but my overall projections haven't quite been playing out the way I anticipated. So on gold here this morning, I caught this gold sell. And as you can see, it's just a wick, right? It just ended up wicking out and not pushing up completely. So I was actually looking for the overall sells on gold this morning, simply because I felt like we reached a level of resistance in this area here where price was failing to create some new highs. We also had some reaction in this zone as well. So I said, okay, we keep tapping off of this area here. We haven't been able to break it. Most likely, we're probably going to come back down to most likely retest this area down here. So that's what I was looking for. When I trade gold, I like to go off structure. You know, structure is super, super clean on it. So I'm like, all right, we're looking for the sells. We're going to look for the sells. Price is creating resistance. We're creating lower lows here. So let's look for the sell. Problem is, the sells did not play out completely. I was able to catch just over 20 pips on this move here off the 5-minute, but price actually reversed, and I'll show you how far up it reversed in a second. So here you'll see, if we follow the bearish structure, you'll see starting from up here, we made a low, high, lower low, lower high, and of course I'm looking for price to create itself a lower low. So that's why I was looking for price to come down. Initially, I wanted to take profit down here, right around the 44 pip mark, but never came that far. It never came that far. It came all the way down to right around 26 pips or so, right around there. I think I caught like 22 or 21 pips off the move. It did not continue down. Even with volume, right? We caught this move right around 10:30, right after 10:30, and the market continued to play around after that. If I move it along here, you'll see I took profit at the right time, because right after I took profit, this candle literally shot up like a bullet. Shot up, came all the way back up to entry. Had I held this move and been stubborn, looking for it to hit my full take profit, I would have ended up potentially losing this trade. So as you can see here, the market actually started playing around and then eventually did that. Completely reversed, breaking structure to the upside. So I've been quite conservative this week. Haven't been taking back-to-back setups on the same pair. I've just been content with catching my first setup on it and been okay with it. So I was able to get out of this move, and I did not look to take any of the buys. Would have been nice if I did, but didn't happen. Same thing happened yesterday, guys. Same exact thing happened yesterday. Closed out of my trade and the market completely reversed and went the other way for like 1,000 pips. Like, it was crazy. So obviously, you know, it would have been nice to catch the buys over the sells here, but I just wasn't looking for any buys at this point. I mean, the market was bearish. So when the market is bearish on gold, you got to go with the trend. Okay. So now the market is sitting above this area. It's pushing up at this point. The sells are no longer valid, and the market is probably going to continue pushing up bullish here towards the tail end of the week. Tomorrow's going to be Wednesday, hump day, so we'll see what tomorrow holds. All right, so that was gold, guys. This is what gold did to me today. Still was a win, nice little win, so I'm not going to, you know, complain about it, but I got to do a little bit more work on my analysis to understand, hey, what's the deal with me getting in on these quick moves when the trend is actually finishing and it's flipping into the other direction, because back-to-back times that happened. All right, let's look at GU. Same thing. All right, looking for sells on GU. The market was bearish. Okay, the market coming down nicely here. We found the level of resistance right around this area here, pretty textbook. And I was looking for the sells, looking for price to continue down. Unless price broke above this area, then obviously I would look for the buys. But over here, I got to go with what the trend is telling me, which is for the sells. And I think I only caught maybe like 10 or so pips before it retraced on me. 8 pips actually before it retraced, which is just nothing, right? I'm looking for the market to break out of this little box here and give us a nice lower low, and that did not happen. It played around inside this range, and then the market did, what do you know, that same exact thing gold did, right? Completely broke out and continued pushing up. So that's why I scalp, guys. I just like to take what the market gives me, because you just don't know. You can analyze all you want. It doesn't necessarily mean that the market is going to do what you think it's supposed to do. It's going to do what it wants to do. So sometimes you just got to be content, take your profit, and if anything, cut your losses if you're on the other side of a trade. So two of the exact same setups, pretty much the same thing that I was looking at, right? Resistance, looking for the sell, overall bearish. Resistance, looking for the sell, overall bearish, because we held resistance. Okay, you want to sell high and buy low. That's pretty much the rule of thumb. All right, so I'm not going to keep this video too long. That's pretty much what happened to me. I'm going to be doing a little bit more analyzing and back testing on these moves today to see, you know, why did the market stop here? How come it didn't come all the way down to maybe this support level here, retest this area? At some point, this area is going to be retested, but it just wasn't ready to do that here. I didn't see that we had too many candle rejections here for it to justify price pushing back up. I would have liked to see a little bit more data. I really don't like these 1-2 candle punches that the market does on GU and gold. I prefer a couple candles before I see some type of movement. So I always miss those moves. I'm okay with it. You know, as long as you get a win, that's all that's important. All right, and that's pretty much it. US 30, real quick, this setup here that I've been holding now for about a day or so, day and a half. Same setup, right? Resistance, price breaking, supports, retesting, dropping, retesting, dropping. It's pretty easy peasy textbook, right? Not too much to go into detail there. Super easy. Do I always hold my positions? No, but I really see this move playing out. My stops are in profit anyway, so if it does pull back and knock me out, at least I won't take a loss. It is what it is. We'll see if this comes down to hit around the CP area. Might close before that. Who knows? You know, we'll see what the market gives us and what news has in store for us for the rest of the week. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are able to learn something from these videos. I'm a scalper. Do I deviate every once in a while and catch bigger moves? Yeah, I am trying to get better with that, to be a little bit more consistent with that. But in the meantime, my bread and butter will always be with my quick scalps. I've been profitable with it. I have no issue with it. I think it's the best form of trading, to be honest with you, compared to intraday or swinging. I think our scalpers have a higher win rate of trading, and we're in the market for a lot less time than most other traders. So you still have freedom with your day. You don't have to be attached to your phone. You don't have to worry about your trade going from profit to drawdown, profit, back and forth, all that ping pong nonsense. You don't have any of that to deal with. You just have to get in, make your money, get out, come back tomorrow, do it all over again. Wash, rinse, repeat. Keep it simple, always, and it'll make your trading life a whole lot easier. All right, guys. So hope you guys like this video. Please drop a like and subscribe. I'm really trying to get my channel to about 50K by the end of the summer. If we can do that, that would be extremely awesome. The live trade sessions will return in July. I'm looking at July 10th for them to come back. But until then, I'll drop these breakdown videos to give you guys something to keep you occupied until I come back. But until then, you guys be good. As always, it's SimplefX, your favorite female trader, and I will catch you guys on the next trade. Peace out.